It's cold and flu season and it's cold outside, so let's talk about asthma and these inhalers. Let's just talk about asthma to start. So I don't have asthma, so my airways are nice and open, kind of like this. People who have asthma have baseline inflammation of their airways. So that inflammation makes the airways smaller already. And then when they get sick or when something else happens, they can spasm. And so that spasming makes it even harder to move air through those airways. There's two medications. One is something like albuterol, which is going to stop that spasming and open back up. And then you've got your daily inhaled steroid or a controller medication that's going to help with your normal inflammation so that your airways can be nice and open. These are metered dose inhalers, also known as pumps. And this is albuterol, also known as ProAir or Ventolin. This is a rescue inhaler and it stops that spasming from happening. It works very quickly. So if you are having an asthma attack, you want to grab a rescue inhaler. You definitely use a spacer. Even if you're not a cat or a little kid, everyone needs to use a spacer. It helps the medication to get into the lungs to work where it needs to, not just in the back of your throat or your tongue. Some people use this medication in a nebulizer, which is awesome. You can use 2 to 6 or more puffs depending on your asthma protocol. Your doctor's going to help you with that part. This other medication, this is a controller medication. So my cat takes it. It's the same for humans though. She uses it once a day, every single day, and it helps decrease that inflammation that's in the airways so that she's at lower risk for an asthma attack. And if she does have one, her airways are not as inflamed. Sammy is on fluticasone as her controller medication, but there are lots of controller medications out there and other adjuncts that we use to help control asthma. Now is the season to make sure that you have a rescue inhaler available. Make sure you have your spacer or your refills for your nebulizer because asthma is a really serious, potentially life-threatening condition. It's important to take it seriously and make sure that you have an action plan with your doctor just in case your symptoms kick up. While I know that asthma is a serious medical condition, there are not too many things cuter than Sammy getting her medication.